Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am OBA, and today I'll be covering some nuggets, some major things you need to know about the market. Yes, some major things you need to know about the market. So, what I'm going to be covering today is just simple. I'll be covering basically how the market moves because the market is not random. The market moves in a specific pattern. And that is the pattern I want to explain. One of those patterns is what I want to explain. So, what I'll be explaining today is if the market is about to reverse, see, the market is coming on a bearish trend and the market is about to reverse, the market is going to give you what? A sweep of liquidity, which is going to be time-based liquidity, a sweep of time-based liquidity, and change the state of delivery to the upside. After the change the state of delivery to the upside, before this change in state of delivery or after, market is going to give you what? A liquidity. That's going to create liquidity. So let's say before this happened, before the CISD, market created a low, market broke this high. Market is not going to come back here immediately to buy from this point now. Market will create another liquidity, buy from this point, keep breaking structure to the upside, keep doing that. And at some point, the market is going to resell. Market is going to start selling. When the market starts selling, the market is not bearish until what? This low gets taken out. This is now going to be the liquidity. Why this order block will serve as what? We serve as our point of interest. Why this order block will serve as our point of interest to the upside. So this is going to be our PY, our order block, our PY, and this is going to be our what? It's going to be our liquidity. You guys get my point. So you see. So most people don't know things like this happen. Things like this are not random. So I'm going to go into the chat now and show you people breakdown of this. Because this happens over and over and over and over again. This is one of the reasons you have to do what you have to study. Because most of these things are not random. How do you know something like this? Exactly. It happened on good. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Commit it 15 minutes time frame. Commit it 15 minute time frame. The market do you can see from the daily time frame. From daily time frame, you can see what. Let's go to the weekly for clear view. On the weekly time frame, you can see what market took out what time-based liquidity. Market took out time-based liquidity, which is previous week low, and tapped into what another time frame order block. Then if you scale lower, you can see market took out what market took out liquidity also. This is what this is time-based liquidity, which is what previous week low. It is also previous day low on the daily time frame. These things are not random. You have to study. And market did what? Market took out this low. Inside what? Inside a weekly order block. And see, and we go to lower time frame. Market tapped into what? Market tapped into what? A point of interest. Market tapped into a point of interest. Let us sweep the liquidity and push to the upside. This market push to the upside, what do we have? That is what matters. That is what matters. Immediately market took out sell side liquidity. What happened? I'm going to break what happened down. So what happened is simple. This is the first CID we had. This is a lower high that got taken out. Can you guys see it? And what before the lower high got taken out, market created what a low, and what market took it out. You can see it. You can see this properly. Once market took this out, market created what a break. Then what market broke this. Market took out these highs. You can see in between this, another setup was created. Can you see a low and what a breaker broke is expected? Can see and what markets kept buying to the upside until markets reversed. And market still respected this to take out what? To take out buy side liquidity, respected the breaker, take out what? To take out buy side liquidity on this side, which is this before the market started reversing. I see what why did the market now start buying from this point? Market is buying from this point because of what? Market has not completed what the delivery on this time frame. Oh, there's a gap here. Yeah, exactly. You can see this other block. You can see this other block. And if you want to pick your point of interest, do not pick, this is something you should write down. Do not pick your point of interest for just a single time frame. You should pick your, once you've seen your inducement or your liquidity, I've seen my inducement, let's say on the 30 minutes time frame. I'm going to pick the clearest POI to me, not just, okay, I'm seeing another block on the 15 minutes. I'm going to check the 30 minutes, which is clearer. Are you getting me? Which POI is clearer? Okay, the 30 minutes is clearer. Okay, the 45 minutes is clearer. The 1 hour is clearer. The 2 hour is clearer. The 3 hours is clear. Whatever point of interest is clearer, that's what you're going to use. You are not rigid there. You are trying to be flexible. So at this point, taking out what other block as our entry. Can you see that? And our stop loss is going to be doing what? Covering this week. Can you see that? Are you getting that? Why are we taking this? After this break, you can see what market pulled back, which is what our inducement. And we expect what this liquidity to get taken out. Simple stuff. Very simple stuff. But it is simple, but it's not basic. You get my point. It's simple, but it's not basic. You can see it gave another setup. We are going to take this setup to take out what? Liquidity. I'm going to take, if you want to take this setup, take out what? Liquidity. But taking this, because this is the origin. This is where the whole move started from. Taking out sell side liquidity and giving what? Pushing up to the upside and give another inducement to what? To buy a breaker to the upside without mitigating this order block. This order block is going to be mitigated with time. You get my point. So you should just have this at the back of your mind that market is going to, if market is reversing, no market is going to reverse from this point, this kind of point. Same thing, similar things happening here. Yes, I'm seeing similar thing happening. Good. Can see what market did what again? What the market do? Market took out this high and give us this guy. And give us this guy. Same thing again. And give us this guy. And give us this other block. Can market buy from other point? Surely market will buy from other point. Can market sell from other point? Surely. But market get into this zone. This is the zone I'm waiting market to react from. Once market reacts from this zone, taps it, give me time-based liquidity. I'll be looking for continuations to buy to the upside. It's simple. One, I took the initial entry from this point. I took on a continuation. You can check out my videos. You see all these things. The continuation here. I'm targeting what? My liquidity. So let's check charts to see. Look for clear ones, extremely clear ones. I'll make you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Top and bottom. This is the claim. What do we have here? That is sweep of liquidity, which is what time based previous week. This is Monday's low. Okay, Monday's low got taken out, stop want. You see the stop wants. Can you see that? What the market do? Market broke structure to the upside. Can you see? Market give us this low. Can you see continuations from here? Buys. Buys, continuations for buys. The market started reversing to do what? To react to this what? Order block. It is that simple. It is that simple. It is what? It is that simple. It is that simple. Same thing happened there. Market did what? Get took out this. You should go into your chart and what? Study. And see, yeah, look at the clearest POI. Look for the clearest POI. The network will be bad. I see no clear POI. No clear POI at this point. I can't use the 5 minute time frame because training view has limited features for me. Oh, it tapped this 15 minutes what? It tapped this 15-minute breaker. Can you see? The clearest what point of interest. It is that simple. It is that simple. You get my point. So the idea is you go into your chart and study this. Go into your chart and study this. This is not random. I have limited features on my chart. Wow. I wish I can just go back in time and just. But you guys can use FX replay to like go back in time, look at old moves, old moves, which will help you guys a lot, a lot, a lot. Since similar thing on GE also, is sweep and what? Just go to GE and look from this point. Let me just give you this is what. I see. Let's go to 1 hour. And so after the sweep, you had this what? After the break, you had this. And below what? Below the that's where we are going to be looking for what our point of interest, which has to be the what? The clearest one. From this point, you can see this whole stuff is the clearest one to me. So I'm expecting market to tap into this. And from there, I'll be looking for continuation. Can it fail? Yes, 100% it can fail. Yes, it can fail 100%. 100% it can fail. 100% it can fail. But does it work? Yes, it works. Because I've shown you examples now. Does it work? Yes, it fucking works. Can it fail? Yes, it can fail. From this point, you can see let's scale higher a bit for you to see the clear picture of what I'm trying to say. Go for 5 minutes. You can see this is the first break. You can see what this got taken out. You get my point. Immediately got taken out. You can see market tablet to POI. Market started buying. You get the idea. It is not random. This is not random. Market is about to change. Market cannot just start buying like that. Market is going to give you what? The necessary thing, which is the sweep, the break. Market might keep buying to the upside. Market keep buying to market at a point in time will come back, take out what? The liquidity at this point, tap into the other block hand or breaker and move to the upside. So that's all for that. What am I expecting on gold? On gold, on gold, on gold. What am I expecting on gold? On gold, on gold, on gold. I'm expecting bullish prices on gold. Bullish prices. I'm expecting bullish prices. Expecting bullish prices. Because last week was a bit slow for me. And yeah, it was a bit slow. It was a bit slow for me, sha. Let's see how it goes. I'm expecting probably a dump to my entry and me buying for wood. Yeah, can it fail? Yes, 100% it can fail. Will it work? There's high chance it will work because that's what we're here to do, make analysis. Something against my idea, if I see something on the chat or something in the news negating my idea, will I cancel my order? 100% I'll cancel my order. On GU, I'm also expecting bullish prices, yeah? For BTC, I'm also expecting bullish prices. Serious bullish prices. Because what? This is what previous week low. I'm expecting this to fall, take out previous week low, and what buy. Same thing again on what? On BTC. You get my point. Can this be a trap? Exactly, it can be a trap. Because this is I be $300 market. Yes, this is a $300 market. I don't expect whatever you say should just go according to plan. Yes, you don't expect whatever you say so. But you can expect what you studied to come to play. You get my point. So this is what I've studied, and this is what I'm saying. You get my point. So what I've studied is what I'm trying to put out there for people to look out for this kind of things and not lose money. But that don't matter. Are you making money? That don't matters. Can I see this other block? Clearest other block. I'm expecting market to do what? Take out previous week low. From this zone, I'm expecting what time the liquidity, probably session based or previous day, previous week. Yes, it's going to be a previous week though. Expecting previous week low to get taken out. This is a previous week low, get taken out. Once it gets taken out immediately, I'll be looking to buy to take out what these highs was what at this point you can tell previous day low is taken out already, and this is dumping really hard. This is why I'm not taking these sales because last week, yes, what's the word? I took more trades than usual. I meant to take just 3 trades, and last week I took about 4 or 5 trades, which I took just 2 wins and about 3 losses. Yes. So this week I'm more disciplined. Yes, and I'm trying to be more stoic, yes, with my decision making, which is normal. Trading is not a thing you can just feel you've conquered. You keep learning, keep studying, you keep showing up till you get your result. Even when you're getting the best of results, you should not stop. That should be the last thing that will come to your mind. Yes, and those of you that want to learn, want to know how I analyze the chart, you can register for March mentorship and just send me a message. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number on this video. So you can just send me a message and let's talk here. So catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. This is nuggets here. This is premium stuff that I'm giving you guys for free. Make sure you do it. Don't get keep it, share it, but make proper use of it. Catch you guys later.